Now, mobile money transactions for last year far outstripped check transactions by a massive 770 billion Ghana cedis. That's according to data from the Bank of Ghana. This is compared to a little about 500 billion recorded in the 8 months of 2021. Charles Nixon-Yeboah has more in this report.
Mobile money continued to remain the biggest payment solution in the country, with an estimated 905.1 billion cedis transactions recorded in 2021. Check transactions stood at 134.7 billion cedis during the period. This indicates that many customers, particularly retail consumers, now prefer mobile money as the easiest form of banking transactions because of its accessibility and reliability. Significantly, mobile money transactions in 2021 shot up compared to the previous year. The month with the biggest transaction was July, in which 99 billion cedis was recorded. Increasingly, mobile money transactions is relegating check transactions to the background, with many consumers now prefer walking to a mobile money vendor to deposit or transfer money into his or her wallet. Banks will therefore have to dig deep to innovate and come out with solutions similarly to that of mobile money in order to compete. Alternatively, they could partner the telecom firms to take advantage of the fast-growing market. Already, the Bank of Ghana has been piloting its digital currency, the ECD, a move which is expected to be launched sooner to boost the cash light agenda.
We are joined by Pierre Dumako of card transactions, but there are concerns about it waning, its possible waning amid the controversial 1.75% e-levy. How do we balance this concern?
Okay, Charles, I think whenever you start with any task, yes, people try to find ways and means to do something differently. Though the 1.75 has not yet taken off, a lot of people would want to start an alternative means of transferring money. And so this particular dip is kind of expected in the country. However, with the passage of time, those who kind of found an alternative means of spending money, giving the money to a third party to be given to the second party, they may find that those measures were not helpful, and so they want to consider.
Government is expected to present this in the floor of Parliament. Of course, they're also very optimistic of getting it passed, despite the opposition from the minority. Help us understand once again, from CAT International's point of view, the power of mobile money as compared to the concerns over the e-levy. How can this erode gains made so far?
I think it's going to erode the gains that we've made over the years. The last 5 years has seen government promoting the cashless agenda. And with this e-levy, I think that it will attempt to deformalize the economy. And all the efforts that we've made over the years will not yield the needed results. You know, because of the mobile money, Bank of Ghana's expenditure in terms of printing new currencies also increased what we call velocity of money. And so there's more advantages for government in terms of leaving the mobile money not touched. That means with regards to incidenting new taxes on it than trying to get money from it. And the evidence worldwide shows that whenever taxes are mobile money transaction or other financial money transfer transactions, the returns on it do not support the projections that the government projected. And I think we would be very disappointed during the media budget with the values that will come. And I wouldn't be surprised to levy and find other means of taxing the public. Just last week, for example, the former finance minister, Dr. 4, said that if government were to tax the extractive and the oil and gas sector enough, government would get close to 25 billion cedis annually. We know that this yield levy is going to give us less than 8 billion Ghana cedis. And so I think government needs to explore other sources of revenue that will not affect people's consumption pattern, that will not affect people's behavior than this yield levy that government is so bent in getting.
Grateful, Cut International, with your submission on this story. We shall keep an eye on the e-levy to give you updates as and when we do have them.